Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you edit videos, you've definitely run into these problems. File formats are not be supported, files too large to upload, blurry footage you can't recover, and you have to switch between 3 or 4 different programs just to cut, convert, and compress. Today, we're diving deep into Any Video Converter, the tool that promises to be your all-in-one video workflow solution. But can it really handle everything? Let's break down its 5 core features. First up, video conversion. Whether it's an M4V from your phone or an MKV from a pro camera, just drag it in, pick your desired format for any device like Universal MP4, and the speed is impressive. Next, video enhancement. This is where the AI kicks in. Look at this old footage. It's blurry. After running it through AVC's AI algorithm, the resolution is noticeably upscaled and the noise is dramatically reduced. What's the content creator's biggest headache? Massive file sizes, slow uploads, eating up hard drive space. Any Video Converter's video compression lets you slim down those huge files without sacrificing quality. That's serious efficiency right there. For those who need to gather assets, the video download feature is awesome. Just copy the link, and the software automatically recognizes it, offering various resolution options. Whether you need a high-quality clip for a project or just want to save some music, it's fast and easy. And finally, a handy little tool, speech-to-text tool. Sometimes you only need to transcribe and video into text. It is particularly suitable for international companies, educational institutions, students majoring in multiple languages, etc. Any Video Converter truly breaks the definition of a traditional converter. It consolidates several essential video processing needs into one powerful application. Whether you're a pro editor looking to dramatically speed up your workflow and batch processing, or a beginner who just wants an easy tool without installing 5 different apps for 5 different jobs, this tool saves you time and energy.